Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you want to know how to use Afterpay on Ticketmaster, then this video is for you. In today's video, I am going to show you how to use your Afterpay on Ticketmaster. So to do that, what you have to do, just open up your Afterpay app on your phone and make sure you are logged in on your Afterpay account. So once you have logged in your Afterpay account, what you are going to do is simply search for Ticketmaster. So search for Ticketmaster and you will see the results. You can see the Ticketmaster. So what you are going to do, just tap on that on Ticketmaster. This will take you onto the official Ticketmaster website through Afterpay. So in this way you can visit the Ticketmaster site on Afterpay. Now make sure to use your app, otherwise you would not be able to use your Afterpay to make a payment. So once you have on this, now we are on the Ticketmaster website. Scroll ahead and browse it and book the tickets that you wish to, and then when you check out you can simply select the Afterpay options from your Ticketmaster. Because since Ticketmaster is recognized by Afterpay, so you can simply use Afterpay on your Ticketmaster. So this is how you can easily purchase anything on Ticketmaster by using Afterpay. If you think this video is helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel.